guys, well, I am back outside with garden on my brain, just continuing to make the preparations that we need to make in order for us to plant all the things. And so today I picked up from Walmart, I picked up about 7 of these bags of in-ground soil, and I also picked up some buckets. If you ever need buckets, in the bakery section, they have 5-gallon buckets and they sell them for $1. Sometimes you can go and they'll just give them to you for free. And so I guess it depends on who is back there. But this is a steal, like especially when they have the big ones, because all the sizes they'll sell for $1, which is unfortunate with the little ones, but it's still useful utility buckets. I'm actually planning to use these for some portable garden pots for flowers that I can move around the garden. And I'll show you some of the flowers that I got today for only $3 that I can just sprinkle and put in different areas of the garden to encourage the pollinators to come. As you know, if you looked at my other video about my my planters that I made in the front of the house, I actually used faux flowers because I was more interested in having pops of color than I was bringing the pollinators. And so I definitely want the pollinators to come in the vegetable garden. And so let me show you what else I got for today. So we bought a couple trees today, and this specific tree is called, is that Kefir pear? It's the Kefir pear tree, and I'm so excited about this tree. Look at these little baby buds. Where are you? Isn't that just so cute? Little baby. I'm just so happy. So I picked this tree because it had all these little pear babies, and I just thought that that was so great. And the other cool thing about this specific tree is that in this other one, it has a bird nest, and I just thought that was just so cute. Look at the bird nest. See if we can see in there. How cool is that? My girls are going to be so happy to see a real live bird's nest. So if it was good enough for the birds, hey, it's good enough for me. I purchased 3 blueberry bushes, and this one is called the Brightwell blueberry. This one over here is called the Premier blueberry, and this one is powder blue blueberry. It's so pretty. Let's see if you can see that, how pretty it is. So we've never grown any kind of fruit tree or any kind of fruit bush, and so this is all brand new to us. And this one has some pretty white flowers as well. So yeah, this is all just brand new. And so if you have any suggestions on how to keep them alive, how to help them thrive, please shoot them our way. I also picked up some of these laundry bags from the $1.25 store, aka Dollar Tree. I picked some of these up with the hopes of having some type of net protection that was inexpensive for those buds on this pear tree. Now I don't know if putting a net over it would affect the leaves at all or the fruit. So if you have any suggestions or experience with growing fruit trees or blueberry bushes, please let me know. But I thought this was a very inexpensive way to cover those our fresh little flowers there and those little pear buds. And so this is the idea that I have, but if you have any more, please let us know. So I got a couple more goodies from the Dollar Tree. This bag is just so cute. I absolutely love this. Happiness grows here. I hope so. And these are the flowers that I was talking about. As far as being portable, this is very inexpensive. I'm just going to put them in those buckets, and I also have some stackable planters that I'm going to put these in, and I'll show you what those look like as well. So I also need some suggestions for combating deer. We have deer really bad. Um, I had a sweet lady give me these. She said that it was bee balm and that deer hate them. And so I'm going to be planting these, and when they grow, I'm going to just start more of this plant from these two right here. So hopefully by the end of it all, I'll have lots of bee balm. We also bought our cattle panel and our T-post for trellising in the garden. So these are the stackable planters that come from the Dollar Tree, and I am planning to put those in the garden area so that I can bring some pollinators in. Okay, well that is all I have for today. I look forward to just continuing to share this journey as we are just trying to learn all the things and grow us a garden. And so I do hope that you will continue to take this journey with us, and don't forget to let us know if you have any advice on how to be great. Okay, see y'all next time.